Hello everyone, I'm Robin with Robin's Read3 and Robin's Personalized Gifts. We do a lot of custom displays for craft shows, stores, any kind of request, something you've seen, or you have an item that you sell at your craft show that you need a display for. All you have to do is send us a picture, give us the measurements, and we can usually come up with something. So I'm going to be showing you how to do how to put together the bookmark. I'm actually putting together the smaller one because this is the one I'm keeping. That one's gone to a customer. So the first thing you're going to do is get these pieces here. Now you'll know the bottom one because the bottom one has 2 notches. The ones that are going to be upright, they only have 1 notch on them. So you're going to put these in place on here like that. And it's going to fit in these slots, which is the shelf, the back of the shelf. I'm hoping I can get this in here. Mine's a little tight because I plan on gluing mine. I don't plan on taking mine apart. So I didn't mind it being tight. All right, so there's one. Again, you're going to put the bottom piece on, attach the 2 side pieces, and put it in place. Now, this is the back. It will have 4 notches. It actually sits on this. But first, what we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to put them in place on one side. And then this one's going to go in front of that one and push it down. Then you're going to do the same to this side. We use pure bond maple wood. It's pretty thick. It's a decent wood. So there, you need to put them in, push them down. Now, once they're in place, then you put the back on. Now this one, I didn't need my logo on, so my husband cut it without the square on top. But this one over here, this is the big one, and this one, that logo will go right there. It's part of our free gift to you as a thank you for reaching out to us and letting us create something, because a lot of times if we create something for you, someone else wants it. Now these are the bookmarks that I have in my shop. As you can see, you can put several in an area here. This one has 12. This one has 6. It's just a nice way to display your items and have them in the customer's face. And the customer, once you have something that's upright on a table, it's going to create a more visual interest, and they're definitely going to want to stop and look at it and take things out. We did not put a piece across here because people are taking this apart, and we don't want to put a little piece of wood here. So if you have an issue where they're falling out, you could put anything across here, something really pretty. You could wrap it around and tie it around the back, and that could give you a lot of interest. We just don't want to make this easy to snap, and because of the tilt, they stay in there pretty good. All right, I thank you for reaching out. This has gone to Betty in New York, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you.